Scanning, fingerprinting and network reconnaissance tools. In this section, I like to share with you some of the most exciting, latest and new tools which allow you to carry out information gathering on the target computer. Now the first kind of software which I wanted to sort of discuss today is a software called REM OS. REM OS is an excellent OS detection tool for the Windows platform. It's actually a lot better than Nmap and a lot easier to use as well. So at this point of time, I like to give you a small demo. So let me quickly start REM OS. Now this is what the REM OS software looks like. As you can see, there are certain helpful hints which sort of explain how you can use this software, and in the commands sort of field you can also see what the argument or the format of typing the command is. Now this is where you need to type the actual commands. So you need to type scan space followed by the target user or the target IP or the target domain name that you wish to find out the OS of. So I'm going to type scan hackingmobilephones.com, press enter, and within a few seconds it tells you that the OS running on hackingmobilephones.com is Apache 1.3.37 Unix and it's supporting PHP as well. Now instead of hackingmobilephones.com, you could actually type in any other IP address or domain name of your choice. So I'm going to try typing indiatimes.com. Press enter, and within a few seconds it tells you that the website is running Microsoft IIS 6.0. And finally, let's find out what Microsoft.com, what OS they are actually running on their website or the web server. They are actually running Microsoft IIS 7.0. So that's the REM OS software for you. Fabulous software, highly recommended to each one of you, available as a free download. Next software is P0F. It's one of the best passive OS fingerprinting tool for both the Windows and Unix platforms. It can detect firewalls, NATUs, load balancers and a lot of other things. It also works in stealth mode and is difficult to detect. We've already seen what passive fingerprinting is in the video lectures earlier. Let us now see a live demo of the P0F software. Now this is what the software looks like. It's a command line utility. It says listening on. So now if you were to connect to a particular website, then the packets that are sent from the website to your computer are recorded, studied, analyzed to find out the OS running on it. Thirdly is the Minesweeper software. It is very easy to use, an effective network reconnaissance tool that allows an attacker to carry out port scanning, ping sweeping and even OS detection. Let me quickly start that and give you a demonstration. This is what the Minesweeper software looks like, and in the space provided in the target field, you need to enter the target IP address or the domain name that you wish to find out information about. So I'm going to type hackingmobilephones.com, select maybe all ports, select the kind of attack or information gathering technique you want to use. Different port scanning techniques are available: SYN, FIN, null, ACK, TCP port scan. I'm going to click on press on the play button. Immediately it tells you that port 21, 25 and 80 are open. It also tells you, it carries out a sort of a ping sweep, and as you can see, port scanning is still being carried out. So it's very easy to use, fabulous software, highly recommended. I leave it to you. The fourth software is the ATH AMAP software. This is a very good application, fingerprinting scanner that can be used to detect the daemons applications running on the target computer. You can download it for free and start using it. Next comes the Angry IP scanner. It is one of the fastest IP and port scanners available on the internet. You have to see it to believe how fast it is. So let me quickly start that. This is what the Angry IP scanner looks like. Let me quickly enter the range of IP addresses that I wish to scan. This is ideal if you want to scan a very large range of IP addresses in a very short period of time. So I'm just going to click on start now. And as you can clearly see, within a few seconds, it is scanning thousands of IP addresses and telling you the host names of each IP address, telling you which IP addresses are dead, which IP addresses are alive, and the same software can also be used to actually carry out OS detection on the target computer. It's still sort of figuring out the results, still doing this scanning. One of the fastest scanners available on the internet. So that's the Angry IP scanner. You can now explore the various options available. We quickly move on to the last software I like to recommend to all of you, called Unicorn Scan. Wonderful scanning tool for the Unix platform, available as a free download on the internet. Now, all the above softwares that we just discussed can be downloaded through a simple Google search or by simply searching on the website www.packetstormsecurity.org. That's Packet, P-A-C-K-E-T, stormsecurity.org.